Pagtitinsin kundi ulit. Hi, Spike. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, Ryu. Aking iingat ang letra. Kumusta na, Johnny boy? Kumusta na ang buhay mo? Hi, Jake. I'm doing great so far. No? Okay naman din. Hi, King S. Hi, Itachi. Siyempre ganun. Ganun ba din? Hi, Ninja. Hi, Dolphy. Hi, kamusta kayo guys? Hi, JR. Hi, Snow. Hi, Z. Hi, Z. Next week na ulit ang dag. Toroy. Wow, thank you, Z. Ay, grabe yun, grabe yun. Thank you so much. So, ano naman, malaki naman yung hi, Kevs. Thank you. Hi, Beerman. Hi, Viper. Beswertihin kayo ako dyan. Sana naman.
Maybe not for me.
Sayang. Hi, Ja. Sa yarn. Ayan. Feel ko ayan. Meron na yan. Meron na yan. Yarn. Thanks. Hi, JA. Hi, Ja.
I didn't see as a child, but stolen by the mothers and fathers.
Hi, number. ID number.
Chains, fed cat food,
Hi, Isag
sold
Ryan.
to perverts.
Hi, Bigohot. Good. Thank you so much.
Consider this one